It's John Adam with East Coast Storage Solutions. We got a job here for the federal government where we're storing land tract documents, and they're getting ready to load it in a couple weeks. Just wanted to show you how the system operates here. It's all powered operation. Very nice, smooth movement. These will be for their binders and so forth. And then down at this end are the actual drawers, custom drawers that we made specifically for land tract documents. And I think there's some like 3,000 of these drawers in here. Nice install.